Mango Math, Helping to Grow Math Confident Kids, presents Clip-On, a kindergarten activity. Clip-On is a kindergarten activity that adheres to the math strand of algebraic thinking. It goes along with the Common Core of this activity has students fluently compose and decompose numbers to 10, join sets of objects to show addition and subtraction. Activity, we will deal with some specific math terms that the students need to know. Those are addition, adding together, adding on, together, in all, plus, combining, words that mean addition, subtraction, words that mean that would be take away, subtract, minus, remove. We want students to understand these vocabulary words and use them interchangeably so that they understand that these are terms that are used to mean a specific thing, like adding on or subtracting, and that there's a number of them. Can't tell you how many times we come across a kid who says, am I to be minusing, or is that the same as take away? So we want kids to actually understand that those are all interchangeable words. The supplies that will come in your pouch along with the direction sheet would be a laminated game board that has a subtraction sign on one side and then an addition side on the other, and there'll be two of them in the pouch, and both are laminated. One side is subtraction, one side is addition. You will have a dry erase marker to draw on that board, as well as an eraser, and you'll have clothespins that you will be clipping on to your boards. So let's start with addition, and we'll have the students using the addition side of the board. They will come up with a number, or you can come up with a number. Let's say we use the number 6, and we want all our sums to equal 6. So the students will take out 6 of their clothespins, and they can decide how many they want on one side of the addition board and how many they want on the other side of that addition sign. So let's say they put on 3 onto one side, and they'll write the number 3, and they clip on 3 to the other side and write the number 3. So they should then say 3 plus 3 equals 6. I have 6 clothespins. I have 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, for a total of 6. So you want the students to understand that that's exactly what they have done. Let's say they use addition sign again. We're going to use the number 6, and they take their clothespins and they add them on, and they come up with 2 on one side and 4 on the other side. So they'll write in 2 and they'll write in 4, which equals 6. It's the same amount of clothespins, but it's a different configuration. So they should know that there's different ways to get the same total. From there, the students can go into subtraction after they've done addition for a while. They will write the number 6 as I have 6 clothespins, and they will put the 6 on there. They will then take away or subtract an amount. Let's say they subtract 3, and they remove those 3 clothespins. How many clothespins do I have left? I have 3 left. So they get a very visual idea of what subtraction is all about. I start with an amount, I take away some of that amount, and I'm left with something. I'm left with a certain amount. So they get that idea. Some great guided questions to promote critical thinking. What does subtraction mean? What are the different words that mean subtraction? What does addition mean? What are some different words that mean addition? And can you have different number combinations to create the same answer? And can you give me some examples of that? So you would want them to go back to whatever number you started with. Let's say it was 6, and say, well, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. So you want them to be thinking about how numbers are put together and how numbers are taken apart in order to get a sum or a difference. So it's a great activity. The kids love playing it, so enjoy.